Hello, my beautiful loves. Now that you know how to move, I'm going to share with you 2 tips that are going to help you level up exponentially. The sooner you become aware of them, the better, and that is understanding your edges and adjusting your trucks. If you understand edges from the very beginning, you will be able to dial in your skills so much faster. Skating is all about weight shifting and balance, so the faster you can understand what is happening, faster you will be able to move and able to control your skates and actually know what's going on versus you just skating. Your edges refer to the angle at which your skates touch the ground. They're what's going to determine your speed and your direction. Knowing how to use these edges is going to be essential for understanding how to control them and how to maintain your balance. There's 2 main edges on a roller skate. There's going to be the inside edge, and then there's going to be the outside edge. So this is the outside of your foot. This is your outside edge. The inside of your foot, this is your inside edge. The inside edge is the part of your wheel that's going to be closest to the inside of your foot. Your outside edge is the part of your wheel that's going to be closest to the outside of your foot. If we have one pair of skate, these will be your inside edges and these will be your outside edges. This is a left side, so you have a left and right front outer edge. So that would make this our right back outer edge. Right front outer edge, right back outer edge, left front outer edge, and we have a left back outer edge. So when you first start skating, you're probably going to spend a lot of time on your back edges, but it's super important that you learn how to control and shift your weight to different edges. Important part of helping you steer and control in the direction you want to go, but also different edge combinations are going to be required to pull off certain moves. So the sooner that you feel comfortable playing around on each edge, the faster you will level up. If you want some more in-depth tips, I have another video that breaks down specific edge drills that you can do to help improve your skills. Let's talk about trucks, baby. The next tip that is going to help you level up so fast is the adjustment of your trucks. These metal parts right here attach your wheels to your boot, and they also affect your turning radius and your ability to lean into your edges. So if you're having trouble actually leaning onto your edges or is adjusting your trucks, getting very, very familiar with how your skates feel with your trucks adjusted is going to help you improve your overall stability. Deja, okay, all right, I want to level up. How do I adjust my trucks? The easiest way to adjust your trucks is to tighten your trucks, get a skate tool and tighten your trucks all the way until you cannot go anymore. So lefty loosey, righty tighty, tighten them all the way. So we're tightening. Tighten them all the way. If they're tightened all the way, they'll be very stiff. Skate a couple strides. See if you actually like how stiff that is. If you don't like it, go ahead and sit back down and then just do a quarter turn. So rather than you doing an entire turn, just turn 1/4. Boom. Quarter, and then try that again. It's important to point out that I know people who have different levels for their back as they do their front, so it's all going to be dependent on you and what feels good to you. But let's say you try that again and it still doesn't feel good. Oh, I don't know if I like that. Go ahead and just loosen them a quarter turn again, until it feels good to you. If you're still struggling, another way is just to tighten them all the way, skate like that, and then loosen them all the way, skate like that, and then slowly ping pong back and forth between loose and hard and see which one you like better. If it starts out loose and you're like, whoa, now I know what she's talking about. Like I can feel that play in the wheel. This is much too loose for me. Do the same exact thing. Tighten them just 1/4 turn. Lefty loosey. Righty, is that my right side? Righty tighty. It's okay if you don't know what good feels like to you yet. You just have to have patience with yourself and enjoy experimenting. Enjoy the experimentation process of dialing in your trucks. This is why I urge you to get your own pair of skates instead of relying solely on the rink skates, because you can't go around adjusting. You can, I guess. I've never seen anybody whip out a skate tool at the rink, but I'm sure that you can adjust them. It's a game changer to have your skates modified specifically to how you like them and you know how they feel. So enjoy the experimentation process. There are certain moves that you're struggling with. I would go ahead and dial in my trucks and see if I'm still having that same trouble. Like specifically, adjusting your trucks is going to be very important for learning transitions. If you're learning transitions and you're jerky or you're having trouble controlling your movement, your trucks might be too tight. They might be too tight. So they're like stopping you from having the give that you need to have, or where you need to shift your weight into. Loosen them up, see if that becomes easier. If it does become easier, then you know that you just need to take that time to dial in again what feels best for you. That's it. Remember to stay mindful, patient with yourself, enjoy the process. You're learning something new and fun and exciting, and you're tailoring your skates to you. Do not look at it like another obstacle. Look at it like this is a tool in my tool belt to get to where I want to go. With enough practice and developing that body awareness, I promise you that you will become skilled, you become confident, you will become a fire skater. It's literally only a matter of time. Happy skating, friends. I will see you in the next one.